Deanna crawling. Come here, sweet pea. Come here. Come to Dada. Come on, come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. She moved all the way across the living room there. She's panting like a dog. And that was a little glimpse of Deanna and her crawling. Say hi. Gonna say hi? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. I am now crawling. Let's see if we can get you to crawl a little bit more. There you go. Come here, sweet pea. She's like, you took my toy away from me. What? Oh. Come on, Deanna. Daddy's got some Schlevo for you. Oh, yeah. Look at that smile on that Schlevo. Come on. Yeah. How about some Cabasis, huh? Yeah, some Fila. Oh, yeah. Oh, you want that stuff, huh? Yeah. Hey, don't go to the dog blanket now. Deanna, come get your doll. Come get your doll. Come get your doll. Well, as you can see, Deanna has made a new milestone. Here she comes. She sees the bottle of Schlevo. Oh, she sees the rice sausage. Oh, blood too. Oh, she wants some of that pizza. Oh, she's going after the Fila. Yeah. And she got it. Deanna, say goodbye to everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And that is Deanna Josephine Gruber crawling. She was an official crawler as of yesterday. Now she can't get enough. God bless her knees on these tiles.